Next, we have a 4-bend saddle, and we will change electrical settings angle to 45 degrees, and we'll start our conduit at 9 feet above the finished floor. Alright, make sure one's sloped. Go down to 7 foot. As you can see here, can't draw the conduit, so I need to go a little farther and get to the other side. Come back up to 9 feet, and you have 4-bend saddle. Now, if you have an existing conduit, it's very similar. What you need to do is split your conduit up. Select your conduit, say create similar, and then go down to 7 foot. And then you want to come back up to 9 feet. And there you go.